Hi best buds, it's Kathy with Kathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I have a 500 subscriber giveaway, and a shout out to Robin, Elsa, Nancy, Maybelline, Joyce, and Sue. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I'd like to make some spring tags. So I have this cardstock and I just happened to cut it to, let's see, 4 inches by 3.5. And I took my rounder and I just rounded the corners like that. I have some botanicals here. I have some cut out, stamped out butterflies. I have some numbers. I have some little flowers. I have some washi tape. I have a doily. I have a little bit of lace here on my table. So let me pull this down so you can see it, and let's see what we can design here. So I was just thinking spring, even though it's very chilly here today. The temperature has dropped. It rained last night and it's supposed to rain today again. But spring is on the way. We know that. It is coming. So this little tab, I don't have a tab maker, but what I do is I take the paper I want to make a tab out of. Oh, here. Like a little, take a little square. It doesn't have to be perfect. But then you fold it in half, like so. And then go ahead and make everything straight as you can. And the size that you want. It's not straight. The size, like you can make a bigger one, you can make a shorter one, whatever size you want. Then I take my corner rounder and I just round the corners because I don't have a tag maker. And you know what? I don't need one because, ta-da, look at there. There's a tag. And so you open it up. It's just like they look when you have a tag maker. And I would like to put that right here. I also think I would like to, let me see, add maybe a little bit of white lace right there. I think that looks very, very sweet. Now I am going to ink this up very quickly. I like to use the Gathered Twigs by Tim Holt. And we'll just ink this up very quickly. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and if not, I hope that that day turns around for you quickly. So yesterday I planned on making a video, but I'm telling you guys, oh my gosh, do errands not take forever or what? Errands take forever. I had to go to the bank, I had to pay the utility bill, I had to pay my truck payment, I had to go and get chicken food and duck food, and not duck, well, duck food I got from my daughter, then I had to go and take that to her, and it was just like, I had to go to the grocery store. It was like, oh my gosh, when I got home, then I had to unload everything, and then feed the ducks, and then come inside, and then make dinner, and then clean dinner up. And it was like, after all that, I was like exhausted. And I was like, oh gosh, I guess I didn't get to the video today. So I'm going to see if I can pump out a couple of videos here and get back up on track. So I am going to go ahead and sew this tab on here like this, and I'm going to sew this little piece of lace right here, and I will be right back. All right, I went to the sewing machine and found out that my bobbin was out of thread, and I decided, you know what, let's change it up, and this is green. I sewed it on green. I thought, you know what, let's give it a go. Let's give it a try. So I'd like to take this little doily, and I think I'd like to put it about right here. So get my glue, and let's I gotta make sure it's open. And let's put our glue on our doily. I'm not going to ink my doily. I think I'm going to leave it white. I'm trying a few different things. I'm trying some pink and some green, springy colors, and I'm going to try using some white, like I chose that white lace on that tab. I think I'd like to use a little bit of this white doily to tie in that white lace, just like that. That's pretty. I have a botanical here, which I think is beautiful. I also have a little bit of notebook page. Thought we could put it maybe right on the edge of that, like here. And I'm not going to ink it either, I don't think. At least maybe not right now. Go ahead and get this glue down on the, it's a, what's it, dictionary page, piece of dictionary. There, I'm going to put that down. Then I'd like to lay the botanical down next, I believe. I also would like to try a little bit of washi tape. I haven't used washi tape a lot. I haven't been a real big fan of it, but I've been watching some things, and I think I'd like to have a go. See if I can't start incorporating. I've got washi tape. People have given me washi tape, and I've bought washi tape, and it's like, you know what? It's time we need to try some washi tape. I think we definitely need to try some washi tape. So there, we've got that layer down. I'm going to go ahead and snip this right here. That doily is laying up on that tab, and I really don't want it to lay up on that tab. I just clipped it off. Let's see here, what else can we do? Okay, we've got this washi tape. I kind of picked some colors that these tags we're working with here. I kind of like this yellow. We don't even have any yellow going on, but it might just make it pop a little bit. How if we put a little yellow right here, help hold down that doily, if nothing else. And let's put another little piece right here. Be like that. Oh, I like that. Shall we do it right over here as well? Let's see. I'm going to keep it inside the stitching. There we go. I'm just putting it here and there. Just kind of playing with it, because I think that's what I'm going to have to do, is just kind of play around with it a little bit. I do like that. I have some numbers here. I got these from digitalcollage.com, and I think I like a number 4. We could put the number 4 right here, maybe. I don't know, we're just playing. Let me think. Let's go ahead and ink that up a little bit. There we go. Yes, I like that much better. Yes. Sorry for the reach, guys. Put my lid on. I have a habit of not putting my lid on, then I wonder why my ink isn't inky anymore. Why are you not inky anymore? I do like that. I think that's pretty. Let's go ahead and place it right here. So some of our page shows, our words. All right, now, needing something else. I've got flowers, I've got butterflies. It's a pretty big butterfly. Here's a smaller butterfly in the green. That's very pretty. I've got a flower. I've got a green flower. These are pretty big flowers. A little smaller flower with the pink. Oh my. Let me think. I kind of like the green butterfly. I did kind of like that. Let me see. Let me get my tool to do our butterflies. All right. I unpacked something the other day, and they had this piece of foam in there, and I thought, oh my, I think that might be really good to use for our little butterflies and flowers that we do. So I just used my little stamp, my little punch out. I call these stamps, they're not stamps. A little punch out of the butterfly. I do not believe, yeah, it says the Paper Studio. And I punched that out of the same cardstock that the tab is out of. And then this is just tracing paper that I punched another of the butterflies out. So we can do 2 here, and do we want 3? I have another one I did. We can do another one. Well, this little foam piece is working very nicely. Very, very nicely. All right, so let's put these guys together. I'm thinking maybe we could put them right here. No, I'm not sure where he needs to go. I need something right here. I don't know what it is, though. Well, there's another one. Something, something. Okay, let's go ahead and put this here because I do like that there. And I'm gonna maybe some jewels or something down there. Maybe that's all it needs is some jewels. Let's see. We could put it straight. How does it look totally straight? No, I want it to be turned. Okay, and let's put the one that we curled. Sorry, my hand wasn't bending right. Okay, sorry about that. And it was awkward. Here we go. Usually I use hot glue with these things, but we can do it with this. We can do it with this glue. This is Fabric. Wow, I just pulled it all off. That's why we use hot glue. Fabric Tack today. And get this down here as the last one. It's going to give it some dimension. Oh yes, I like that. Let me look over here on my jewels. I have some green jewels, different shades of green. I don't know, it's like it needs something else besides just jewels down it. I'm trying to think. Thinking. Okay, so we're going to put some jewels on the inside of this butterfly. I'm thinking I'm going to want pink though instead of green. Let me grab my pink. Alrighty, I told you the other day in my video that I bought some of these diamond dots freestyle. I didn't even know they existed. This one I haven't even opened yet. I bought it at Hobby Lobby, and people make pictures out of them, I guess. And I just thought, ooh, maybe instead of some bright bling, how do we get this off? Bright bling, I could use these. They're pretty color. They're not bright, but they might look really nice if I could get them open. Okay, hang on, guys. Okay, that took some doing, but I got it open. All right, let's see if we're going to like these on here. They're a very sweet color of pink. So they're a totally different color than these, as you can see. I just thought we might give it a go and see if we like them on here. Let's see. The color is, I think, perfect match. I do think it's a perfect match, color-wise. I like that. So we might need some words or something right here. It needs some kind of weight right here. I have this, what's it called here? It's the Tim Holtz Ideology Small Talk. And on the back, the black words, the words with the black white print on the black, this says choose sunshine, stay curious, be brave, stay strong. I need it not to be too awful long. I think I'd like it to be about right here, maybe actually about an inch. Make it happen, stay strong, be you bravely, choose sunshine. I think I like the choose sunshine. Yes, I do. I think that would be very nice. There we go. It came up on me. Obviously, they're a little old, and I pulled that right up. So let me glue that back down. Okay. Let's see if this is going to work the way I want it to. Here or here? Actually, I kind of want it there. I think I'm going to put it up here just because I don't want everything so weighted down at the bottom. And I'm going to need to put a little bit more glue right here. There. What do we think of this tag? My glue's on there. Got to get the glue off. Oh, I do think that looks sweet. It's something totally different, but I like how it looks. You can journal on the back, and it would be absolutely beautiful in a spring journal. Okay, you guys, I appreciate you joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.